Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Emma, this is not what I ordered.
What did you order?
I ordered chicken. This is not chicken.
You should call them, Jake.
I am going to call the restaurant. I need to sort this out.
Good evening. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just received my order, but something is wrong.
I am sorry, but this is not my order. I am sorry, but this is not my order.
I am so sorry to hear that, sir. What did you order?
I ordered chicken, grilled chicken. Could you please check my order? Could you please check?
Of course. Let me check that for you right now. Please hold for just one moment. How long have you been waiting?
3 minutes, but I am calm. I am very calm.
I am so sorry, sir. We sent you the wrong order.
Huh.
We will send the right one immediately.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You have been very helpful. Hi, sir. I have your correct order. Grilled chicken. Sorry for the wait. Thank you. That is great. This is perfect. This is exactly what I ordered.
You were so polite on the phone, Jake.
Phrase 1. I am sorry, but this is not my order. Phrase 1. I am sorry, but this is not
My order. Phrase 2. I ordered chicken. I ordered chicken. Say it with me.
Phrase 3. Could you please check? Could you please check?
Say it slowly.
Say it with us. I am sorry, but this is not my order. I ordered chicken. Could you please check?
Your turn. What do you say when your order is wrong?
Write your answer in the comments below.
Has this ever happened to you? Tell us in the comments.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
If this helped you, please give us a big like.
And subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy. Click the bell.
Thank you so much for watching. Now you know what to say.
See you in the next one. Keep learning. Keep growing.